Hi, this is David House from Matterhorn Business Solutions, and today I'm going to be talking about search engine optimization. And my ask from you, give me 5 minutes and you're going to know a lot more about search engine optimization, how a web page ranks on the top of Google, and more importantly, give you a little bit of imagination of what can you be thinking where we can work together to make it even better for you. So I want to give you some insights to help you better understand how websites rank. So this is just a dashboard of a new tool we have. It's called AHREFS, and it gives us an analysis of everything about your website we need to know for search engine optimization, and also your competition, so we can understand why they're ranking, and maybe why you're not for a certain keyword, why you are ranking number one, and how to keep you there. It's incredibly powerful. We're going to just look at one area today. It's called Rank Tracker. Okay, so I'm just going to click Rank Tracker up at the top. It's going to list all of the websites again that we're managing, and we're just going to go into Matterhorn Business Solutions. So what you'll see here is keywords that we're tracking. So we're tracking 37 keywords for Matterhorn Business Solutions, and right here are the keywords. Okay, and it shows us the position for each keyword, how much volume that keyword gets. And that's very important. Okay, so I'm going to rank this by position. And a lot of times we'll meet a new client and they'll tell us actually what keywords they want to rank for based on what they think. So we'll put in the keyword. This tool will actually tell us how often that keyword gets searched. And if it comes up to 10 or 20 or even 0, it's kind of a useless term to be searching for. So this tool will tell us exactly what people are searching that's relevant for you. So we can all have that conversation. So after this video, write me an email and say, hey, David, let's go check our keywords to make sure they're right. I have already done that, but you might have some extra terms because you know more about your business than I do, but I'm going to do my best to pick those for you. So let's look at these terms. So for the term business consulting firms, it's reporting we rank number 1. Business consulting companies, we rank number 2. For IT companies, it says we rank 2. So let's actually test that in Google. IT companies. Okay, so what's going to come up is the map. Now the map is influenced by our geography, so if I'm actually at this address, it's going to give that first. So let's not worry about that right now. So what it says here is actually we rank number 1. And so that software is saying 2 and this is number 1. That's just about a Google bounce because that ranking came from a couple days ago, but it's still within a reasonable range. So we're number 1 for the term Calgary IT companies. Okay, and IT companies Calgary were number 3, social media services were number 4, IT companies in Calgary 5, website design company 5, Calgary social media services. So anything on the first page, which is here and up, these are going to be very important to us because that's where most of our traffic comes from. Now, what we really need to be concerned with here is if we rank 1 or number 2 for IT companies, it's right here, our phone isn't ringing as much as it should for such a search term based on a volume of 250 searches. Okay, shows the estimated monthly search volume of a given keyword. So there's 250 people in Calgary searching this term every month. We would hope the phone would at least ring 5 times a month and do 5 proposals or 10 or 20. Okay, so what's important here is we rank number 1. The phone's not ringing enough. So let's go and click that page. Okay, so this is our Calgary IT services page, and what we've learned is just by the amount of traffic we're getting and how people are interacting on our website, and for that we use Google Analytics, is we need to change our page. Okay, we're not speaking to our client in a language they want to be spoken to. And that's the whole goal of SEO is who cares if you rank number 1 if nobody's picking up the phone. You can rank number 1 for a search that comes up 1,000 times a month. The phone isn't ringing. We need to change the language of our website. And then the other side of that too is services that we think would be really good. So SEO services Calgary. Okay. According to this, we rank number 12 and it goes to our SEO page. So if we go to Google, put in that search term, okay, and what we're seeing here is here's all our competition ahead of us, right? And we get down to number 12. Here's Matterhorn. Okay, people aren't going this far, but it is important because we're number 12. If we can get the number 9, 8, 7, 6 all the way up, more people will be coming to our website. So this is a very good one for us to work on for SEO. Okay, and so there's tons of searches here that we should be ranking for. For example, a similar search to SEO services Calgary is Calgary SEO, and we rank number 7 for that, and that's great. And then you get your rank, and the phone's still not ringing. There's a problem on the website. It might be the layout. It might be we're not giving enough trust signals. For example, you may have been in business for 25 years. I won some awards. There's all kinds of reasons, and we could look at those later. But our goal in SEO is to get you ranked. Our goal in the website design is to get the phone ringing, and together they can really build a business. So that's the end of the video. I just want to make sure there's an understanding that we can find the exact searches that people are using to find your website. We don't have to guess it or even go off your hunch of what you think might be good. Let's let the actual market make that decision. Thank you so much for your time.